Messi, what a great ball, what an excellent run, Iniesta teases Casillas, against Barcelona to Messi. Messi leaves defenders slipping and sliding on the ball, but no way past. Rica Casillas, Alexis Sanchez from inside him, Fabregas, Neto, Adriano. Two well-matched teams. Messi chasing down the big gap to Lionel Messi. 2-1.